an old bridge out here in the middle of Kansas.
Story of the mother who killed her children over the bridge.
Yeah. Look at that down there. What river that
She
is.
threw them one by one,
Into the river.
watched them hit the ground and drown.
Oh, God.
She haunts. Look at that seagull over there. You
Where?
see it? Out there on the water.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Maybe that's not a seagull. Maybe that's a big bird.
What river is this? I don't
Look
even
at
know.
that. That's a big ass bird. Nah, that's a big bird. I don't know what that
That's
was.
pretty cool, man. Yeah, it's a better view to the right. Yeah. Wow. It's neat. This bridge is old. Way down there. I can't see. I'm just pointing the camera down there. Oh, Kelly, it says her. Spray paint.
You know Kelly?
Yeah. You know Kelly? He's shaking his tail, isn't he? I think it's a turkey. Is it? It's a female turkey? Look at her. I guess I could gas it out and scare her, right? She's like, hey. How you doing, turkey? Huh? It's okay. What are you doing? Yeah? How you doing? Man, there's the end of it right there. Oh, this is the one that looks like a jump. Going up. It ain't me. Obviously. Alright. How tall is this cell tower? Let me see. Each section's like 20 feet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. There's 11 on there? Looks,
Counted it,
that's,
right?
that's what it looked like.
That's 11 times 20.
210, maybe? 210? Something like that? Plus all the stuff on top. It's Jerry climbing up there. I'm gonna make him mess up. Hopefully not.
It's not like that.
Alright.
Didn't get up there, Rob?
You think, am I next?
Yeah.
I'm next.
You gotta go help.
It's part of the initiation, right?
Just scratching the surface here.
We're gonna drop you back off at home if you don't climb it, right?
You're driving yourself, actually.
Oh yeah, alright. I forgot to tell you about that, right? Damn, I'll break my neck looking up here. We gotta get our stuff hooked up, don't we?
Oh my God, they should see you how you're on this game, man. This is fucking priceless right here.
See what? I don't know if they can even see.
God, the guy's hanging on this game, bro.
Kidding.
He's filming him go up, but his neck's all up.
We're gonna send this stuff up right here on a little.
This shot.
We're gonna send this stuff up here. We've already sent another box up there, but it rained so much yesterday we had problems.
Put it right here where we had it, I guess.
All right. Yeah, tons of rain last night here in Kansas. There's no electrical outlet on this tower, so we got a generator over there. We gotta power everything up with the generator.
Are you at it over there? Well, I'm gonna check the
But he's got a little bit more to go. He's taking a little rest. You get a rest going up. Yeah, there's the equipment, the generator. We're gonna send that up here in a minute on a big pulley attached to the back of that truck over there. We got a rope that's already up there. We'll send some more equipment up. He's on his way up. He's almost. It's cloudy today. There we go. We're sending some more equipment up the cell tower. And this little piece of machinery, that's Damien. There we go. The transmitter we're sending up. Transmit the same frequency as another piece of equipment up there. So we're just going to transmit that out. Actually, there's 3 of them we're going to transmit from up there. RF frequencies. We got to give them heads up. And then we'll track it through. All the way out to about 25 miles. This will take this thing a little while to get up there. Then the guy that went up there earlier, he's gonna connect this up when it gets up to him. Get a little close up. There you go. And back down to there. Like a little pulley, and a little electrical. That's setting it up from the machine. I fast forward this from the actual video I did. Maybe. Yeah, take a little while to get there. Nice, we got clouds today though. Okay. Anyways, you guys get the idea. Alright. We'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Have a good one. Back in the cell tower I worked with.